Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Crafts by Neha. Today I will make budget friendly Lippan art. Here I took a cake base plate from my friend's birthday cake. On that I did the rough sketch of Ganesha and few more designs that is going in my mind. After making the rough sketch, I stick natural clay instead of artificial clay with the help of Fevicol. Use white as the base color. Then do your favorite color over it. After coloring, stick the mirrors with the help of glue. I only spent money on the mirrors. And here our low budget Lippan art is ready. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more.